Over the last few chapters, I've showed you how to accept data from users in the form of HTTP form posts. While this is great news because it means we're now able to interact with our users, it has also opened us up to a type of security threat known as cross-site request forgery, or CSRF for short. The concept of CSRF is pretty straightforward. A user authenticates themselves with your site, then somehow navigates to some other site set up by an attacker, who gets the user to post a form back to your site containing the information that the attacker specifies. For example, the risk we run on our demo auction site as it's currently implemented is that the attacker is able to post a new auction under our account or bid on auctions with our account. Also, consider a similar scenario in which the attacker is able to change our password or profile information by posting a similar request. Now that is something we really need to be worried about. Luckily, this attack is pretty easy to defend against, but you have to be proactive in doing so. The best way to protect against CSRF is to put a user-specific token as a hidden field into legitimate forms and check that the right value was submitted on each form post. For example, you can use some random value which you've stored in the user's session collection or into a cookie. Or better yet, you can use the HTML.anti-forgery token helper that ASP.NET MVC provides for this very purpose. To use this token, simply call it within your form to generate the token as a hidden form field. Then, jump over to the controller action that you're posting to and decorate it with the Validate Anti-Forgery Token attribute, which tells ASP.NET MVC to ensure that every form post to this action includes a valid anti-forgery token value. With these two things in place, you have successfully protected this controller action against a CSRF attack. If we run our site again and navigate to an auction, and submit a bid, we can see that it still works. Then, view the source code of the page and find the form that is posting the bid request. Within this form, on line 63 in this case, you'll find a hidden field named __request verification token. The value of this field is a random number known only to the server. Since it's a hidden field within your form post, it will get posted back to the server, and it's this field that the Validate Anti-Forgery token will inspect to ensure that the form post is valid.